it go.
Wow.
Same voice and everything. Mutually decided that is how we talk.
There he is. There he is.
Nope, you had it, buddy.
It's right there. Yes.
Yes. Oh, look at it, pick it up.
Take a step back. Yeah, because when he was flinging it was...
Forget that. I'm standing right here.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I'm getting closer.
You might get whacked in the face as well by an elephant.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Oh, yes.
That's probably why that is roped off.
Oh,
Tiny.
Oh, God.
I feel like I'm in Jurassic
I feel like we may actually get hurt.
Like,
And it will be our fault, and the zoo will not even care. They'll be like,
They'll be like, we told you so.
This is worth the risk.
I can't believe no one's come by and been like, guys.
I don't care.
It looks like he's smiling as he's doing this.
I know, he's so happy.
He's like flinging around.
This is the most fun he's ever had.
Oh my God.
it is breaking apart, though.
Yeah.
No, that was great. Oh, careful, buddy. You're going to lose your stick open.
Oh.
Whoa!
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Oh, you missed. There you go.
Okay.
Oh, he's hitting his back. He's like one of those. He's like one of those priests that whips his own back.
I was thinking fly fishing.
Oh, like
Huh.
day? Like in the Da Vinci Code?
Yeah, exactly. Right. Right.
What's that called? Self-efflation or something?
I have no idea.
No, it's not affliction.
You're a bitch. You pick it back up. Oh.
I don't even care. This is worth it.
That was awesome. That is literally going on Reddit.